Welcome to the About Entity section. Here, you'll provide key details about your company to set the foundation for your valuation. Let's go through it step by step. Name of the entity. Enter your company's name. This will appear on your valuation report. Country of incorporation. Select the country where your company is legally registered. Date of valuation. This is the date on which the valuation is being performed. End date of previous year. End date of first prospective year. Base currency and conversion currency. Rate of conversion into domestic currency. This needs to manually. Number of shares outstanding. Total shares of a company currently held by shareholders, including restricted and publicly traded shares. Founders' shares. Special equity shares given to a company's founders. Fair value of debt. Enter your company's total outstanding debt at fair value. Cash equivalents include cash and highly liquid investments available on the valuation date. Surplus assets as of valuation date. Now, in company details section, add your company details such as brand name, website link, industry, etc. Then add financial information, specifically of the latest fundraising round. This will include latest valuation, amount raised, objective, etc. Make sure to choose right level of funding. Now, company stage. This is pre versus post revenue. This is needed for Berkus method. Then just click on Next. Once you're done, proceed to the next step and take ahead your valuation journey.